this video we're going to deal with bank statements, particularly for savings accounts where you don't have a bank feed that imports into Xero. This happens mainly in building societies where there might not be a bank feed. So in this situation we're going to deal with a business savings account that has got £2,010 in it. £2,000 is coming from the current account and £10 is interest received. It'd be nice to have that rate of interest, but I'm just going to deal with it for demonstration purposes. So, first thing we're going to deal with is £2,000 that's come out of the current account into the savings account. So, as you deal with everything else, the bank feed comes into Xero from the current account. The savings account here, you've got money going out of £2,000, and we're just going to post it as a transfer to the savings account. Next, we need to deal with the £10 interest. So if we click to the business savings account, you can see here there's no transactions imported because there's no bank feed. We need to deal with the account transactions tab in this scenario. So what we're going to do is a new transaction and make sure it's receive money. Here we're going to put the building society name, a building society. Okay, this interest was received on the 1st of October. You don't need a reference. Description, interest received, £10 we're receiving here, and it just needs to go to the interest income or your interest received code in Xero. There's no VAT on interest, and if we click save, you can see now that the balance in Xero equals the balance on the statement. What we need to do now though is reconcile it so that the balance on the statement is the same. So all we do here is you click on the transactions. The first thing we need to do is if you go up onto your help screen and enable mark as reconciled. So that was on the help screen here, and enable mark as reconciled. Okay, you can see here now, you just need to mark the transactions that have come through on the bank statement and then mark as reconciled and click mark as reconciled. And you can see now what it will do is it will say your statement balance is 2010 and that's fully reconciled. The reason why you use the mark as reconciled is if, for example, you have quarterly statements from your savings account and there are transfers that have come through from the bank after that, so you can just keep an eye on that the statement balance agrees to what's been reconciled in the account. So for example, there might be another transfer, for example, if we look on the business current account. If we put this transfer out in, just for example's sake, and if we go back to the savings account, if you look here, the statement balance is 2010 because that's the last statement we had, but the balance in Xero is 1010, and you can just sort of keep an eye then on the difference between the two. Hope that helps. Any questions, please get in touch. Thank you.